Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and kicking the update process into motion. First, check your Excel version under File Account so you know the target update. Once done, back up important workbooks to OneDrive or an external drive to avoid data loss. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free disk space and a stable internet connection. This prevents mid-update failures. Now open File Account and click Update Options so you can start the actual download and installation steps. You trigger the download using Update Options, Update Now, and then monitor the progress indicator. This gives a clear sense of how long the install will take. Close all other Office apps and save any open files so the installer can replace components without conflicts. If your machine is managed by IT, request a managed deployment or confirm policies because auto-update might be blocked. Once the download completes, allow Excel to restart and run through installation prompts. This finalizes file replacement and update settings. You finish by verifying the new version in File Account and immediately test core workbook features like formulas, macros, and add-ins so you catch regressions early. If Excel shows errors or crashes, run Quick Repair via Control Panel Program's Microsoft Office and restart your PC. This fixes corrupt files and component mismatches. If problems persist, perform an online repair or a clean reinstall and make sure to note error messages. One key troubleshooting tip: disable add-ins before testing. Many failures trace back to incompatible add-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.